Hello students, welcome back to our channel Math with Us. In this video we are going to learn how to do addition of fraction. I have taken some example. Let us solve the example. First example is of like fraction. Like fraction means the fraction we having the same denominator. So addition of this fraction is simple. We just have to put the denominator as common and do the addition of numerators. Here 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 over 7 is the answer. Now let us see the second example. Now here in the second example we have been given the unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means having the different denominator. So in order to do the addition or subtraction of fraction, we need to have the equal denominator. Now in order to make this denominator equal, we need to find out the LCM. We'll find out the LCM of this fraction of these denominators by prime factorization method. 6 and 9. So we'll divide both the denominators by the prime number 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 9 is an odd number, so as it is. We'll take the second prime number 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And again it will be divided by 3. 1 as it is. 3 times 1 is 1. So the LCM or the least common denominator, that is LCD, we obtain as the product of the numbers which we have got on the left hand side. So 2 times 3 times 3, which is equals to 18. Now in order to do this addition, we have to make this denominator, both denominators, 18. So how to make this denominator 18? By multiplying this 6 by 3, we'll get 18. Now to get the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the numerator also by the same number 3 plus, now here 1 over 9. How to get this, how to make this denominator 18? By multiplying 2. 9 multiplied 2, we get 18. Now we have to multiply by the same number to the numerator. So multiply by 2. So here we get 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 over 18 plus 1 times 2 is 2. 9 times 2 is 18. So as the denominators are equal, we can do the addition of the numerators as 3 plus 2 over 18, which equals to 5 over 18, which is the solution. Now let us turn to our third example. Here in the third example, we have been given whole number. Whole number means it has denominator 1. Now as both the denominator are unequal, these are also like the unlike fractions. Now here we'll get LCM or LCD as 8. So in order to make this denominator 1 as 8, we have to multiply this 1 by 8. So same goes for the numerator, we have to multiply this numerator also by 8. And this fraction is having the denominator 8, so we have to copy as it is. Now here we'll get 3 times 8 is 24 over 8 plus 7 over 8. Now here we have got the same denominator 8, so we have to do the addition of numerator, which is equals to 31 over 8, and which is the solution. Now let us take the fourth example. Fourth example is also of the unlike fraction. Here denominator, because the denominators are unequal, so we have to make the denominators equal by LCM, by taking out their LCM. So we'll take out the LCM by prime factorization method. We'll divide both of this denominator by 2 by prime number 2. 3 will remain as it is, and 2 times 1 is 2. Then again this will multiply by 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 1. So LCM or least common denominator LCD will get as the product of the two numbers on the left hand side, which is 2 multiplied 3 is 6. Now in order to make this denominator 6, we have to multiply this 3 by 2, and we have to multiply the numerator also by 2. Now here, in order to make this denominator as 6, we have to multiply this 2 by 3, and same goes for numerator. We have to multiply numerator also by 3. So here we get 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Now as denominators are equal, we have to do the addition of numerators. 4 plus 3. So here we'll get 7 over 6, which is the solution. In this way, you can do the addition of fraction. I hope this video is useful to you. Please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.